Up next, for our last set of questions, we have Melby Matias of PVE.
Hi, Direk. Kanina nabanggit ni Direk na he wants to deconstruct romance. Tapos, as the story goes, since like isang gabi is finding, is it a love or infatuation lang. Then nabanggit ni Diego doon about Florante at Laura. How do you relate this story po?
How do we relate it to?
Isang gabi, yung sa Florante at Laura.
Sasabihin ko, tinatanong nila, kanina may nagtanong, ano ang take away ninyo sa pelikula? Sabi ni Colleen, na be careful with the decisions kasi may domino effect. Sabi ni Diego, walang control kasi tayo lahat ay objects of fate. Tama sila pareho. Walang mali sa sagot nila. Ako siguro dahil may edad na ako at mas malawak ang karanasan ko, ito ang ibig sabihin ng pelikula sa akin. Na kung iniisip natin na ang may kontrol ng buhay natin ay a super being na makapangyarihan, tama yon. Kung iniisip natin na kaya natin kontrolin ang buhay natin, to a certain extent, tama yon. Pero ang kwento ng isang gabi ay itungkol sa dalawang taong ordinaryo at mahirap na ang gusto lamang ay maging masaya. Pero maraming makapangyarihan sa lipunan at sa isang lipunan na hindi iniintindi kadalasan ang pangangailangan ng mga mahihirap. Anuman pagsisikap at magandang intensyon ng mga mahihirap tulad ni na Carla at ni na Dindo na mga characters nila sa pelikula, biktima sila ng pagkilos ng mga taong may pera, ng mga taong sakim, ng mga tao sa lipunan na walang pakialam o hindi iniisip ang mga taong mahihirap. Actually, yun yung mas pervading, malaking question ng isang gabi. Ngayon, nung sinabi kong dinedeconstruct ang romance, it is true that we were trying to deconstruct romance by showing that love is not made of romantic ideals. Love is dictated upon by the reality surrounding us. Diba? Yung isang babaeng tulad ni Carla na ang gusto lang ay magbigay ng ginhawa sa kanyang pamilya. Diba? Ng isang lalaking tulad ni Dindon, ang gusto lang ay makapagtapos ng pag-aaral at makapagturo ng literatura sa pamantasan. Pero bakit pag mahirap ka, ang hirap-hirap abutin? Yun yung ibig ko sabihin. But that is from the point of view of, that's a bigger picture. Yung mga sinasabi nila, totoo yun. Pero ang mas gusto kong sabihin bilang direktor, ano man ang gusto natin sa mundong to, hanggat yung mga nasa taas at yung mga otoridad ay hindi nagiging patas sa mga taong maliliit, mahirap makakuha ng tunay na pagmamahal. Kaya ang ending namin, ganon. It was easy to decide the ending. Kasi yung ending ng pelikula wasn't in the script. We decided the ending nung nag-pick lock na, tapos nag-discuss kami ni Ricky. Nung nakita ni Ricky, ay ang ganda, baguhin natin ang ending. So hindi inisip namin ng 2 araw. Until the next morning, tinawagan niya ako, Mac, I have an ending. Sabi ko, ano ending mo? Nung kwento niya sa akin, sabi ko, ang ganda. Nire-edit ko yung pelikula. Yun yung ending. Because it gives value to the statement. When I said we wanted to deconstruct romance, I wanted to say, ang ibig ko talaga sabihin nun is, gusto kong mapakita yung realidad that romance is half of romance is fantasy. Half of romance is idealism. It's fantasy. Marami siyang hindi kinoconsider. Kasi pag kinonsider mo ang katotohanan, hindi siya ganun karomantic. Masakit ang katotohanan.
Thank you.
Thank you.
For Ma'am Colleen and Sir Diego. Nabanggit kasi ni Ma'am Colleen doon sa trailer, tama bang magdusa ang isang hindi?
Tama ba?
tama bang magdusa ang taong hindi masama? Parang ganun yung pagkasabi niya. Kung ikaw, para sa inyo po, ano ba yung
Para sa akin, I feel like justice isn't always fair. Kasi parang, oo, like, justice exists but not for everybody. And I feel like at the end of the day, we are not all treated equally. So, ayun, makikita nila yun, gaya, ang ganda actually ng pagka-explain ni Direk. Kasi pag napanood mo yung pelikula, kasi mismo, yun na yun. Lahat na in-explain ni Direk, yun na talaga yun. Pero, yun, I feel like, as long as justice favors anybody, then it's not truly justice. So, may mga, like, I was about to step into a controversial topic, pero wag na lang. Pero for example, sometimes we cry for heavier punishments, pero hindi natin naiisip na paano kung maling tao yung pinaparusahan. Diba? So, we have to take all of this into consideration na hindi lahat ng pinaparusahan ay guilty. Diba? So, we even though justice exists, it's flawed. So, I think our film also shows that.
Yeah, she took the words out of my mouth. Ganun po talaga eh. Sometimes innocent yung tao pero he's the picture painted of that person is wrong. And that is the reality of life. Hindi naman porket innocent ka, you will the saying goes innocent until proven guilty, pero parang kabaligtaran eh. It's you're guilty until proven innocent. And it really depends eh. Like with Direk, what Direk said, the factor of whether mayaman ka o mahirap, that is also a factor that comes into play. So that is the reality of life.
Congrats sa isang gabi na mas Direk.
Salamat po.
Thank you very much. That is our last question from Melvin Matias of PDE. Thank you very much for all your questions.
Sa mga tao ang piling, ang pakiramdam nila ay tinalikuran sila ng pag-ibig. Sa lahat ng mga taong nasaktan dahil sa pag-ibig, palagay ko ang pelikulang Isang Gabi ay para sa inyo. So, sana po tangkilikin ninyo ang Isang Gabi. Nasa sinehan na simula May 15.
Ayun, kung fan po kayo ng drama, ng romance, and syempre na-explain na rin naman namin sa inyo yung storyline, I highly recommend that you guys watch our film. Yun po, May 15, showing na po siya in cinemas nationwide. Of course, written by Sir Lee, directed by Direk Mac Alejandre, and starring the two of us only. Mostly just the two of us. So, yun, I feel like it's an interesting watch. So, please support our film. Thank you.
First, before I say my final words, maraming salamat sa lahat ng pumunta ngayong araw para supportahan itong aming pelikula. I'd just like to say this and get it off my chest. You know, coming into this movie, sabi ko, I am not the type of person who likes to watch romance. I'm not the type who will sit through love scenes. I told Direk Mac, I skip through love scenes pag may pinapanood akong movie kasi for me, it's just, hindi to yung kwento eh. But when I saw our film with no bias, hindi ako artista to, he's lying. No. When I saw the ending of our film, and I even told Colleen this, sabi ko, Colleen, you have to come to dubbing right now and watch the ending. You have to see it. May receipt to, I'm telling you the truth. I said, this is a movie that I would watch. This is a movie that I actually would enjoy after seeing the entirety of the film. So please, come support our movie. Panoorin niyo po, and I'd like to thank the people who came out already today once again. Thank you guys so much.